my friends, how are you? My workbench is a mess at the moment. I've got so much going on. Got the old models out as well, just trying to organise what I've got in storage. But I've got heaps of them down here as well that I don't even know a lot of these have been started yet. I don't think they have. Yeah, just heaps of stuff. So yeah, just got to do a bit of organisation. But let's have a look at this T-54-1. So I've been working on the turret, and you can see now that the turret is now one piece. And I've filled up those gaps so you won't be able to see those gaps. And I've also added more texture. So you can see how I've texturized the actual turret. And I did that before I started applying and putting in all these extra parts over the top. Instead of using the plastic parts, so the plastic parts for these ones are useless. They look good and you can use them as a you know, a guide to build your metal ones, but they're just too thin. And you can't really avoid it with this tank, so you'll find no matter how careful you are, just putting the actual turret head on the body, you'll damage those things. So it's really worthwhile with these T-54s and T-55s. It's pretty much necessary to build these out of wire that you'll need to get yourself. But it looks good, and I added the texture myself. And now all I've done is I've put acetone over the top, and I've got a stiff brush. See this old stiff dirty old brush? So I just painted on the acetone and just dabbed at it like that, and then you work certain parts so you get a sort of, you know, dents and all that kind of stuff. And then once you've done that, it looks really horrible, messy. You get some very light sandpaper, like 1200, and then just rub that down and it comes up really nice. And I've got a little part I'm working on here, so we'll start working on the turret. And just delicate little work, isn't it? But the turret looks good. So what I think I'll do is I'll leave this top part removable, so we can still have here, you can look through. And we'll add the cannon very shortly. It'll be cool. But yeah, better start building up this top part here. So this part that's missing in here. Get that built up, put the cannon on, and this thing will be finished construction. It's really good. I've really enjoyed building it. I've just been doing it slowly, but it's been a lot of fun. Yeah, I've also been painting away the horse, and that's going to go with the Hummel. And I've been building a tree for the diorama I've got going on here. So we're just adding the foliage to that now. It takes a long time. So once that's all built up, I'll install it onto that little corner there, and we'll rebuild up this whole part here. See what happens. And that's not for this. He's just sitting on there, it's for that. But the horse looks pretty good. That's all spray work. So I haven't done any brush work yet, which I'm now up to. It's going to be cool. This one, I'm going to work on this one very slowly, just really slowly, and get it really good, really detailed and really right. And that horse will go with it, so yeah, he'll be giving a message to the commander in the top. And then I pulled out some of the ones I was painting, you know, a few years ago. And I'm like, Jesus, I really have improved a lot. So this will be completely repainted. And this is my journey, you know, like I'm not the greatest modeler or anything like that, but I'm I want to be really good at it. I want to do really well, and I'm improving every day. So if you want to come along for the ride, press subscribe. All right, my friends, I'll see you again soon.